Hi students, welcome to the second term and second standard maths class. Okay, today onwards we are going to see the second term in second standard. Okay, you have to write the second term notes in your maths note. You have to write neatly. Okay, this is useful for your half-yearly exams. Okay, this is very useful for your half-yearly exam. So you have to write the notes detail and clear in your maths note. Okay, next we are going to see the topic. Next we are going to see the topic. See, second term unit 1. Okay, second term unit 1 geometry. You already known about geometry in first term. Geometry means what? We are going to read about points, shapes and lines. This is called geometry. Okay, in geometry we are already learned about 2D shapes and 3D shapes. In second term we are going to learn the properties of 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Okay, first you have to see the 2D shapes. What are the 2D shapes? Square, rectangle, triangle and circle. See, this one is called square, the second one is rectangle, the third one is triangle, the fourth one is circle. See the square, square, square. Square means the four sides are equal. See the four sides, 1 2 3 4, the four sides. See the four sides are equal. So this is called squares. The second one is rectangle. Rectangle also has four sides. This four sides, the opposite sides are equal. The opposite side of 1 is 3. See the 1 and 3 side, these two sides are equal. See the fourth and second side, these two sides are equal. So the opposite sides are equal. This is called rectangle. See the triangle. Triangle has three sides. Triangle has three sides. See the circle. Circle has one center point. This is called circle. These four are called 2D shapes. Next we are going to see the properties of 2D shapes. Okay, property means structural points and about the point, about the shape, outline shape is called properties. Okay, properties of 2D shapes. See the first one. We are going to learn the properties of all the four shapes. First we are going to learn square and rectangle. See the first one, square. Square is, I already told, square means what? The four sides are equal. Okay, the four sides are equal is called squares. See the first point, square is a closed shape. Square is a closed shape. Closed shape. Square is a closed shape. Closed shape means, see the square, there is no open space. All the sides are joined. Okay, all the sides are joined. There is no open space. So square is a closed shape. See the second point, square has four sides. Square has four sides. This one is called side. This one is called side. So 1 2 3 4. Square has how many sides? Four sides. Square has four sides. Okay, square has four sides. See the third point, it has four corners. Corner means the joining point of the line. The joining point of the line. This one is called corner. See the two lines are joining in the point. The two lines joining point is called corner. See the how many corners in a square? 1 2 3 4. How many corners? Four corners. Four corners in a square. Okay, it has four corners. See the last point, all the four sides are equal. All the four sides are equal. See the square, 1 2 3 4. There are four sides in a square. All the four sides are equal. Okay, all the four sides are equal. This is called a square. I am once again recalling the points. You listen carefully. Okay, square is a closed shape. Square is a closed shape. Square has four sides. See, square has four sides. It has four corners. It has four corners. The last point is all the four sides are equal. See, all the four sides are equal. This is the properties of square. Okay, next we are moving on to rectangle. Properties of rectangle. Okay, rectangle means what? It is also have four sides. Okay, it is also have four sides. The opposite sides are equal. I already told you the opposite sides are equal means that is called rectangle. See, 1 and 3. The opposite side of 1 is 3. The opposite side of 3 is 1. See, the opposite side is equal. The opposite side of 2 is 4. The opposite side of 4 is 2. The opposite sides are equal. This is called rectangle. See the properties of a rectangle. Rectangle is a closed space. Like the square, it is also a closed space. There is no open space in the rectangle. All the sides are joined in a line. Okay, this is called closed space. There is no open space. That's why rectangle is a closed space. It has four sides. It has four sides. It has four sides. See, 1 2 3 4. Side means this one is called side. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Rectangle has four sides. Okay, it has four corners. It has four corners. Corner means what? The two line joining point is called corner. See, 1 2 3 4. There are four corners in a rectangle. See the last point. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. See, 1 and 3 are the opposite side of each other. The two sides are equal. 4 and 2 are opposite side of each other. The two sides are equal. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal. Okay, rectangle means what? Rectangle is a closed space. It has four sides. It has four corners and opposite sides are equal. This four is called the properties of rectangle. The first four is called the properties of square and the another four is called the properties of rectangle. Okay, once again I recall the topic. Listen carefully. See, second term, unit 1, geometry. Geometry means nothing but learning about points, lines and shapes. Okay, you already know the 2D shapes: square, rectangle, triangle and circle. We are going to see the properties of 2D shapes. In this class we are going to see the properties of two shapes, square and rectangle. Okay, see, this 4 is called the properties of square. Square is a closed space. It has four sides. It has four corners. All the four sides are equal. All the four sides are equal. It is the properties of square. Next one, rectangle. This 4 is called the properties of rectangle. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal and it is a closed space. It has four sides. It has four corners and the opposite sides are equal. Okay, and the opposite sides are equal. Next I am going to give the homework for you. Today homework is draw the 2D shapes and the second question is write the properties of square and rectangle. The first question is you are going to draw the 2D shapes neatly. Okay, you have to draw the shapes neatly. Second is write the properties of square and rectangle. You have to write the properties of square and rectangle. Each shape contains four properties. You have to write the 4 and 4 8 properties of square and rectangle. Okay, you have to write neatly. Okay, this is very useful for your half yearly exams. So write neatly, keep the note safe in your home. Okay, I hope all are clear about the properties of square and rectangle. Okay, your homework is draw the 2D shapes and write the properties of square and rectangle. Okay, write the homework neatly and send it. Okay, thank you.